4 years ago, when we acquired the Fondaway Canyon Gold Project, it was the quintessential underdog project in all of Nevada. If you had looked at it at that time, there was just an incredible perception, misperception, and very strong opinions on the negativity of this project. But today I can proudly and gladly say that Fondaway Canyon has kind of blown me out of the water. It's just been a staggering morph and transformative of what it once was. Today, as I stand here, it's a multi-million ounce at surface gold deposit that has a robust economic model attached to it. And the world is still our oyster. There's just huge potential still to be found there. So I'm standing here today since 2020, and this project continues to impress. But the other thing that's been major transformative is the company itself. The company has never been in a stronger position than it is today. We've had, about a year ago, we had a major shift in our board of directors. We brought in some very strong financial and very wily and clever individuals that actually have foreseen the potential value that everybody can accrue here. And as we stand today, our chairman, Bob Bass, he himself probably holds about 16% of the company on a partially diluted basis, and the insiders as well over 20%. And in addition to that, I can probably say about 40 to 50% of our shareholders know the true value of what this project and this company can be. They're long-term holders, and they really have a strong belief. And I'm glad I've been able to produce results to keep them happy. In addition to that, financially, we have $5 million in the bank. We have extinguished $5 million in debt. We have no debt right now, and we have over $10 million of warrants in the money. So financially, we're really strong here, moving into one of the best gold markets I've seen in a long time. And of course, we're in the best jurisdiction in the world when you talk about Nevada. If you see the location of Fondaway Canyon, it's approximately a quick 2-hour drive to get to the drill from Reno. And just 20 minutes away is the I-80, which is a main artery right across Nevada and across the states. And within 200 miles are all the big major producers, but more importantly than that, all the autoclaves and the roasters and available processing facilities just 200 miles down the highway. So there's never a better place that you can be. Fondaway Canyon is very isolated locally. We don't have any neighbors. All the stakeholders in the area are happy, but we're also, internationally regional here within 20 minutes of the highway. Zooming into the project itself, what a lot of people don't realize is back in 2020, Churchill County, where the project resides, was the only county that settled all their land issues. And this is huge, because out of all the counties across Nevada, Churchill County is a major proponent for this operation, because there is no gold mine currently in Churchill County. So the county wants, if you look to the south, you have all the projects in down south in Walker Lane, and of course all the major projects to the north. Churchill County is one of the only counties that doesn't have a producing gold mine. So we have an incredible proponent and supporter in Fondaway Canyon to be their very first gold mine. So all the land issues were settled, and because of that, when the area around us was specifically released, they opened up the area around us for mining and exploration. We were able to stake 50% more land, encompass the entire watershed. We control the watershed along a 7-kilometer long length, and for the specific reason for future and to allow future development. So it provides incredible confidence. Not only are we in the best jurisdiction in the world, in my opinion, but this is one of the best locations in the best jurisdiction in the world. Our resource is it's a multi-million ounce resource, combined indicated and inferred. We published it at the end of last year, hugely attractive. But what does that mean from an economic perspective? So we quickly leapfrogged into doing a preliminary economic assessment, and it surprised me as well as how positive it was. We priced everything at $2,250 gold. So when you think about that 2052 gold, where are we standing today? That is a market improvement. But even back when we were at 2250, I mean, this project, you know, crosses all the boxes. It's extremely robust with an over 50% internal rate of return and over $500 million on an NPV scale back at 2250. It's a simple operation. We only took 65% of the existing resources to just encapsulate a 10.5-year mine plan. Very straightforward, conventional mining operation, crusher, flotation, producing a high-grade gold concentrate. And guess what? We're producing a high-grade gold concentrate with all the processing facilities within 200 miles down the highway. The economics are very impressive. The mine plan is producing over 1 million ounces over the life of the mine, 117,000 ounces a year. And if you think about it, when you look at a mid-tier mining company, what's a major line item for them? It's over 100,000 ounces. And so that's what we are. So, I mean, this is an incredibly attractive project. Good gold recoveries, 84%. Excellent production profile. Right at year one, you're at full production. There's no delay there whatsoever. And the numbers are, the CapEx is an easy nut to swallow. It's around $200 million to put this thing into production. And when you look at the cost of the ounces, you're looking at $1,200 production cost per ounce. And then again, comparatively to what, 2.5, 3 times what the gold price is today? I mean, it's all cream. And when I was talking about net present value, I mean, we were very conservative. We used a 10% NPV. I mean, a lot of people use 5 and 6%, which, sure, they can do that if they want. But this provides you with immutable confidence. And down at the bottom, if you look at the sensitivity to gold price, and you follow those arrows, I mean, it's staggering. It's staggering what it's worth at today's gold price. And so, yeah, we're not just a small project and a small company. I mean, this is substantial value. Our current market cap is about $80 million. I mean, that's a drop in the bucket to what the valuation is here. And everything is looking really good. And if I just sat on my hands right now, I mean, I can accrete value and probably a multiplier. But why would I want to do that? So we're trying to make the project even better. And the first thing is what's the best thing to do is find more gold in the ground. And the beauty of this is that the resource is still underdeveloped. It's open along strike, it's open down dip, and it's even open up dip in places. So this is a multi-million ounce deposit with still huge upside potential. And we're right in the midst of a drill program to add ounces in the ground. In addition, we're completing, because our scope was limited for the metallurgical test work prior, we are wanting to produce better gold recoveries. Our metallurgist is one of the best international metallurgists in the world. He has high confidence we can improve the gold recoveries. Again, that's just cream at the bottom line, as well as to show what the marketable and how marketable the concentrate will be. And the other thing is just the price of gold. I mean, from when we did the PEA, it's $1,500 an ounce more than when we even did the PEA. So that's a huge value that you could capture just organically. And we're right in the midst of a drill program. We've already released 2 drill results of our program. They support high-grade gold right at surface, as well as the confident extension of the mineralization. And so, again, it's just adding more value. And that's what we're doing. That's through all the rest through 2025, we are active. I mean, it's going to be a conveyor belt of good news and activity all the way through January, releasing our drill results. And then we're going to go right into a new revised resource calculation and a PEA by Q2 of next year. And at that point, we are going to capture all the pluses that we're working on this year and make the value even better. There is just incredible potential here and underlying value. And that's why Fondaway Canyon is no longer the underdog of Nevada.
There you go.
Thank you.